Hi everyone, here we have our pure roll putting plate drill series. This one's all about pure roll drill. It's drill number 3 on your leaflet and it's called the perfect height drill. You'll find it here. And for this drill, simply what we're going to do is we're going to place 2 high to impact tees in the high to impact location holes, and we're going to push them all the way into the ground this time. That means they're sitting about 10 millimeters in the air, and if you make a good stroke, when you strike the putt, you shouldn't make contact with these T-pegs. Place the ball in, set myself up, and strike the putt. As you can hear, I didn't strike any of those pegs, so that was a nicely well struck putt at the right height.